Hi guys, it's Ellie from Oh No Nails. I have got the easiest glitter design ever, and that is a sugar nail, and they look really cool, and I'll show you how to do one right now. So I've got a tip here that I've just buffed, and what we're going to do is we are going to just drag off the side like that, real quick, and we're going to put a coat of base gel on that so things stick, because we like things that are sticky. Okay, let's just put that in the lamp. Right, today I will be using a potted colour gel. You want a base for the glitter, because if that should peel and it's a different colour, you'll see people typically picking at it. But this was sort of the most similar one I could find. So what I do with the potted gel is often they stand for a while and then the pigment just sort of gets stuck in the bottom. So I just really sort of gently blend it. As I said, you're not doing a mix master, just because you don't want to put air bubbles in it. So just like that. Okay, tip cured. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my beloved crystal jelly brush, crystal nails. The reason I use the jelly brush is because I actually bought it for something called a jelly gel. Same as gel polish, but on one side. The thing is, I appreciated it more for colour applications. They just sort of go really nicely with the colours that I've got. So yeah, that's what that got used for. I've got lots of stuff that doesn't really belong to how it gets used, and brushes are one of them. I'll show you some polygel videos and you will laugh when you see what I actually use to apply. Okay, fluff. Now I'm going to sit and fight to get that out. I'm just going to scrape that from the side. Yep. What do you reckon? That looks nice, doesn't it? It's an olivey colour. Let's cure that. Okay, that's that done. I'm just going to put a second coat on. God's sake, keep glitters lids on them and whatever, because otherwise if you knock them over, I'm a bit clumsy, you'll have them everywhere. Right, new scoop. I don't go diving in, I sort of just go in and scoop it up. A bit too generous on that, just wipe the back of it off, not the front. Okay, I'm gonna go easy, start on the bottom. And I think you'll find with most colours, unless you want them super sheer, that you will have to apply 2 coats. And like I've said before, I did it on my gel polish video, when you apply it, you don't apply it at a 90-degree angle. I know it can be a bit deceiving, but I work flatter than that normally as well, so that you get nice even coats. The good thing is, if you actually got a fuzzy on this one, you wouldn't notice because of the glitter. Okay, right, I'm happy with that. Let's cure it. So, okay, yeah, that's nice. You know, I like that colour. I think that would be nice on me. I'm looking for a new design. Okay, what we're going to do is, a lot of people will, because there's a residue on that nail from the gel polish, a lot of people I've seen will actually put the glitter on the sticky residue and then just cure it a little bit longer. Personally, I think it's better just to go directly in with a really good top coat that you know is going to grip, and just do it on the top coat, to be quite honest, because for me, I've seen, like I said, I think you find most people do put it in the top coat, but I mean, yeah, I mean, each to their own. If you've got a way and products that work like that and you make it easy, be my guest, but not for me. Right, just wait. I put that on a tiny bit thicker than I normally would. So what I'm going to do is, I have found a little pot of loose glitter, which I quite liked. These you'll typically find on, well, Amazon, Ali, eBay. I'll leave a link in the description box. That is a gorgeous colour. To be quite honest, something beautiful. This is finely milled. If you've got like the bigger pieces, they might not attach as well. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to literally, oh, wow, just sprinkle that on top. Oh, that is lovely. Look at that. And I mean, you wouldn't have to even do it on the whole nail. You can do it as part of a nail, as a design. And oh, look at that. He's nice. Yeah, I think that's covered. Right. Have I just been working out a frame? Oh, there it is. I'm going to put that in 30 seconds longer than recommended, just to keep my sanity. So, this is the final result. A gorgeous textured nail. I mean, look at that. It looks, and if you feel it, it's got like a bit of a rough touch to it. It feels like sugar. Wow, that's perfect. Okay then, so that's a sugared nail. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial.